Good morning, Jai Hind, my dear students. I welcome you once again to the English class. Children, today we are going to start with a new topic. In your previous classes, you have been learning new topics, new things. You have been learning it. I know that you all are learning it, revising it, right? Because learning and revising makes you perfect. So today also we are going to choose a topic which is quite relevant to you. You all are using it. In fact, you are doing something today, right now also something. So today we are going to talk about the action words, right? Now you will say, ma'am, what is an action word? Well, so can you tell me what am I doing right now? I am teaching. मैं अभी क्या action कर रही हूँ? Teaching, right? Okay, now can you tell me what action am I doing? I am thinking, right? Now can you tell me what action I am doing? I am mimicking, right? Now can you tell me what action I am doing? I am watching, right? So children, you can see the actions that are performed by anyone, by you, by me, by any animal, right? By anything. That action is called action words, right? So when somebody is doing something, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, उसे हम action words कहते हैं या doing words कहते हैं. To know more, today we will be just going through this content so that you can understand it nicely. So this particular topic I have chosen from your grammar book. I have taken it from your grammar book that is there in lesson number 9, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is verbs or action words, right? So children, the action words are formally called as verbs. इनको formal way में officially अच्छे नाम से हम इन्हें verbs के नाम से जानते हैं और इनका nickname हम इन्हें action words या फिर doing words भी कहते हैं. So what is a verb? First, see this picture. By this picture, you will come to know that what are action verbs. See, can you see some or the other activity is going on? Everyone, whether the animal, the human being or whatever you can see here, some action they are performing. कुछ action कर रहे हैं, कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, right? So let's take the examples one by one. So look at the first picture. Can you see that man? What he is doing? What action he is performing? He is playing with the ball. So play. The action that is performed by him is play. So play becomes an action word because it tells about the person that what action he is doing. वो क्या कर रहा है? If I say the girl plays. The girl plays with the rope. The girl plays with the skipping rope or the girl skips. So what action the girl is doing? वो क्या काम कर रही है? What she is doing? She is playing with the skipping rope or she is skipping. So the word skip, play is an action word, right? Or verb. Now can you see the other picture? The man sleeps on the bed. So what action the man is doing? The man is sleeping, sleeps on the bed. So sleep is an action word, right? Now see the other one. Okay, this man is walking. The man walks on the road. So what is the man doing? Walk. So walk is an action verb, right? What is this lady doing? The lady sings. The lady sings. So what the lady does? The lady sings. So sing is an action verb. Why it is an action word? Because this word tells me about the lady, that what she is doing, what she is performing, what actions she is doing. क्योंकि वो वर्ड एक्शन वर्ड्स क्या हमें करते हैं, वो हमें बताते हैं कि वो क्या एक्शन कर रहा है, क्या काम कर रहा है, इसीलिए हम उन्हें एक्शन वर्ड्स या फिर डूइंग वर्ब्स भी कहते हैं, which the words which tell us that what they are doing, right? So see here, the boy writes, right? So writes is an action verb. The man reads the book. So read is an action word. The people marry together. So marry is an action word. Or they are enjoying together. So enjoying is an action word. The boy jogs. The boy jogging कर रहा है. The dog licks the milk. Dog milk को lick कर रहा है. So lick is an action word, right? So I will now show you that what is a verb. So here you can see, children, the definition of verbs. Verbs are also called as action words. इन्हें हम action words के नाम से भी जानते हैं, right? Verbs are also called as action words. They tell about what somebody does. वो हमें बताते हैं कि what somebody is doing, क्या कर रहा है, what somebody does, वो क्या करता है generally, that you can know, right? Maybe right now आपको कुछ आवाज बाहर से, मेरे घर के बाहर एक डॉग बार्क कर रहा था अभी, अगर शायद हो सकता है आपको आवाज आ रही है, so right now I can say what the dog does, the dog barks, right? So the dog, what action the dog is performing, the dog barks, right? Now I'll just show you two pictures. Can you see the first picture, beta? So in this first picture you can see mother is reading the book for the daughter, for the child, right? So mother reads the story book. So here the mother is doing something with the storybook. What is she doing with the storybook? Reads. Reads. So read is an action word or doing word or verbs, right? Because मुझे ये reads word से पता चल रहा है कि mother story book के साथ क्या कर रही है. Mother is a noun, name of a person. Story book क्या है? Story book is also a noun. Story book is a name of a thing. So इन दोनों चीजों के साथ क्या काम चल रहा है? Mother story book को पढ़ रही है, रीड आउट कर रही है. सो ये रीड वर्ड मुझे बताता है कि क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म हो रहा है, राइट? नाउ सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. कैन यू सी दिस पिक्चर? द बॉय इज, व्हाट द बॉय इज डूइंग? राम वॉचेस द टीवी. राम टीवी देख रहा है, राइट? राम टीवी देखता है, देख रहा है नहीं, राम टीवी देखता है. सो राम क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा है टीवी के साथ? राम बॉय का नेम हो गया, नाउन, एंड टीवी इज अ नेम ऑफ अ थिंग. सो राम टीवी के साथ क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा है? वॉचेस. सो वॉचेस इज अ verb or a doing word. Why? Because watches is telling me that Ram is watching the television. Ram क्या काम कर रहा है? राम टीवी देखने का काम कर रहा है, right? So that's how you can identify very easily in a sentence, right? आप जनरली देखेंगे कि हर सेंटेंस में every sentence has a subject, has a verb and a predicate, right? हर सेंटेंस में वर्ब, एक्शन वर्ड्स जनरली होता है व्हेन वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग द डूअर, the things that are going on, some action when it is happening. You will see the action words are used generally in the middle. ठीक है, जनरली कहाँ यूज होता है? सेंटर में, सेंटेंस के मिडल में रहता है, जो कि सेंटेंस बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट दूसरे चीज के साथ क्या कर रहा है, ये सब्जेक्ट ये चीज दूसरी चीज के साथ क्या कर रही है, वो मुझे कौन बताता है, मिडिल में जो वर्ब रहता है, that word tells me, right? So that is an action word, right? So now in this picture beta you can see so many action words, right? You can see so many action words. Can you see the picture and can you see some action words? See, like run, clean, dance, walk, cry, crawl, fight, laugh, ride, listen, read, write, think, cook, climb and drink. So all these words that you can see are action words. Why? Because it tells about the action of the person or the animal, right? Like what the man does, the man runs. What the boy does, cleans. What the girl does, dance. What the boy does, walk. So what the boy is doing, cry. The boy cries. The baby crawls. The the fighters fight. The boy laughs. The boy rides the bicycle. The girl listens to the music. Or the boy reads the book. The girl writes the letter, write on the paper, right? The boy thinks, the lady cooks or the chef cooks, the person climbs on the mountain, or the girl drinks water or drinks juice. So you can see all these words are denoting or expressing the action that is being performed by the people. You can see some actions they are doing, and the words that you can see under them, they are nothing but an action words, because the action words, they tell us about the actions that are performed by these people, right? So now children, all of you open your English grammar book, page number 46. All of you now please open page number 46 of your English grammar book. So today we will be doing one exercise for a practice from the book, so that we can be sure that we have understood the topic well. Okay, so from page number 46 we are going to do one exercise, but before that let's just read it out what is given here, right? Verbs, action words. Look at the pictures and read the words. Eats, the boy does eats. Drinks, sells, cries, runs, barks, rises or flies. So the pictures that are shown here, they show some एक्शन, कुछ एक्शन दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ करते हुए दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ काम दिखा रहे हैं, हो रहा है. एग्जाम्पल्स, द सन राइजेस, द बटरफ्लाई फ्लाइज, so the words like rises or flies are action words, because they tell that what action is being performed by the sun or by the butterfly. So they are also called as verbs. इन्हें हम formally अच्छे नाम से किस नाम से बुलाते हैं? Verbs, right? So now let us do today the exercise of the book, that is page number 47 of the book. So are you all ready? So if you all are ready, please write down today's date and classwork here, so that we can start doing the work. Exercise number 1. So let's first start doing the first exercise. So read it out. Fill in the blanks, choosing words from the box given below. So you can see here in the yellow box, some action words are given, right? Like, can you just read out those words? The first word is sets, then barks, crawls, flies, sails, hops, sells, and roars. So these are some of the action words, right? Now these action words, you have to fill the sentence. You have to complete the sentence by filling up with the correct action word. कौन सा एक्शन कहाँ पर फिट बैठता है, आपको वो लिखना है. जैसे आप मेरे लिए कह सकते हैं क्या, मैम हॉप्स. मैम क्या कभी हॉप कर सकती हैं? नहीं. या फिर रैबिट राइट्स द लेटर. रैबिट लेटर लिख रहा है. रैबिट क्या लेटर लिख सकता है, राइट कर सकता है? नहीं. सो आपको सही एक्शन वर्ड को सही जगह लगाना है, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. नंबर ए, द सन डैश. द सन क्या करेगा? सेट्स, barks, crawl, flies, sails, hops, sells and roars. So the sun sets. सूरज ढलता है. जब उगता है तो हम उसे कहते हैं राइज, और जब ढलता है शाम को इवनिंग टाइम में, when it set, that process is called as setting of the sun. Sets, right? Number B, the bird dash. So what the bird does? Which is the appropriate action word from the box given here? Flies. The bird flies, right? Number C, the rabbit dash. So what the rabbit can do? Bark. Will the rabbit bark? No, the rabbit can't bark. So the rabbit can crawl? No, the rabbit doesn't crawl. The rabbit hops? Yes. The correct action word would be hops. Number D, the bookseller. Bookseller क्या काम करेगा? Sells. He will sell his books, right? Number E, the ship. Ship क्या करेगी? The ship bark, या ship fly करेगी, या ship sail करेगी? The ship will sail. So the ship sails. Sails means पानी में तैरना जिसे हम कहते हैं, right? Number F, the lion. Lion क्या काम करेगा? The lion barks or roars. क्या काम करेगा? bark करेगा या roar करेगा? The lion of course doesn't bark, it roars, right? The baby dash. What the baby will do? The baby will hop और crawl. बेबी हॉप हॉप करके चलता है या crawl करता है छोटे बेबी के जैसे, right? The baby crawls, right? Number H, the dog. What the dog does? You all know the dog barks, right? So these are some of the action words that we have used to complete the sentence. Now you see that how you can easily understand that what are action words and how to use them, right? So now after filling out the correct action words in the sentences, now we are going to do the next exercise, that is exercise number 2. In this exercise, we will be identifying the action words. So there is a complete sentence, and after reading out the sentence, you have to identify the correct sentence from that. Okay. So let's read it out. What you have to do? Underline the action words in the following sentences. One has been done for you. Number A, I drink milk every day. So what I do every day with the milk? I drink. So drink is an action word, right? Number B, my sister likes to read comics. मेरी सिस्टर कॉमिक पढ़ना पसंद करती है. सो मेरी सिस्टर कॉमिक के साथ क्या करना पसंद करती है? likes to read. likes to read. So here like करती है, क्या करती है? read करना, पढ़ना. So here the action word would be, just a second beta, read, right? So okay, so read is the appropriate action word. Now let's see number C. My uncle lives in Delhi. So where my uncle lives, where in Delhi, what my uncle does? He lives. The action word is lives. Number D. My mother works in a bank. So what my mother does in the bank? She works in the bank, right? वो क्या करती हैं बैंक में? वो work करती हैं. So works is a this thing is a correct action word. Okay. Number E. Sheep dash leaves and grass. So sheep leaves और grass के साथ क्या करती है? Eat. Eat is an action word, right? Number F. The farmer grows crops. Farmer crops के साथ क्या करता है? Grow करता है, उगाता है. So grow is an action word, right? Number G. I play badminton every evening. Every evening मैं क्या करता हूँ बैडमिंटन के साथ? Play करता हूँ. So play is an action word. Number H. The hen lays eggs. Hen eggs के साथ क्या काम करती है? Lays. Lay करने का, देती है eggs, right? So now you know that how easily you can आइडेंटिफाई दी एक्शन वर्ड्स. बहुत आसान है एक्शन वर्ड्स को समझना. बस आपको क्वेश्चन करना है. जैसे आई ड्रिंक मिल्क एवरी डे, तो मैं मिल्क के साथ एवरी डे क्या करता हूँ? ड्रिंक. सो ड्रिंक हो गया एक्शन वर्ड. माई अंकल लिव्स इन दिल्ली. मेरे अंकल दिल्ली में क्या करते हैं? लिव्स, रहते हैं. सो लिव्स इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. बहुत आसान है एक्शन वर्ड को आइडेंटिफाई करना. द hen lays eggs. सो hen egg के साथ क्या करती है? ले इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. या फिर आप ये वाला सेंटेंस देख लो. माई मदर वर्क्स इन अ बैंक. मेरी मदर बैंक में क्या करती है? वर्क. सो वर्क इज एन एक्शन वर्ड, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द एक्शन वर्ड्स, राइट? सो नाउ you all are supposed to complete the book exercise from in your book, and then practice more and more such exercises by, you can ask your mother to give some sentences like this, and then you can identify or underline these sentences from the whatever sentences your mother has given, right? So now in the next class I will be giving you some exercise to do in your notebook, and as an exercise to do some as a homework, also as a classwork as well as a homework, and then later on we will be doing an activity also on this. So till then you have to practice it more and more so that you get better and things are clear to you at the utmost, right? So that's it for today, my dear children. We will meet again in the next class. Till then, just take care of yourself and have a wonderful day ahead.